High in the mountains, an eagle lived in a large nest. The eagle was proud and strong, with wide wings and sharp eyes. Nearby, in a tall tree, a hawk lived. The hawk was fast and clever, with strong claws and quick movements. One day, the hawk and the eagle met at the edge of the mountain. The hawk said, "I am the strongest bird in this area." The eagle replied, "No, I am the strongest. Let's have a competition to see who is better."
The hawk and the eagle agreed to have a race. They decided to see who could fly the highest and the farthest. Many animals from the forest came to watch the competition. The fox, the rabbit, and the squirrel all gathered to see who would win. "I think the eagle will win," said the fox. "No, the hawk is faster," said the squirrel. The rabbit said, "We will see who is the best soon." The eagle and the hawk stood ready to begin.
The race began. The eagle spread his big wings and flew high into the sky. The hawk flapped his smaller wings and flew quickly. Both birds were strong and determined to win. The eagle flew higher, but the hawk flew faster. They passed trees, mountains, and rivers as they raced. The animals below cheered for both birds. "Go, eagle!" shouted the fox. "Go, hawk!" shouted the squirrel. It was an exciting race, and both the eagle and the hawk wanted to prove their strength.
As the race continued, the eagle noticed a strong wind blowing. The wind made it harder for him to fly. The hawk also felt the wind and had to work harder to move forward. Both birds started to feel tired, but neither wanted to give up. The hawk said to himself, "I must keep going. I want to win." The eagle thought, "I can do this. I am strong." They both pushed themselves to keep flying, even though the wind made it difficult.
Suddenly the hawk noticed a storm coming. Dark clouds filled the sky, and the wind grew stronger. "Oh no," thought the hawk. "This storm will make it dangerous to keep flying." The eagle saw the storm too and became worried. "What should we do?" he thought. The storm began to rain heavily, and the birds struggled to stay in the air. The eagle shouted to the hawk, "This race is too dangerous now. We need to find a safe place to land."
The hawk agreed, and both birds stopped the race. They flew together to find shelter. They spotted a large cave in the mountain and quickly landed inside. The cave was dry and safe from the storm. The eagle and the hawk sat inside, watching the rain pour outside. They were both tired and wet, but they were safe. The eagle said, "This race was not a good idea during bad weather." The hawk replied, "You are right. Safety is more important than winning."
While sitting in the cave, the eagle and the hawk started to talk. The hawk said, "You are very strong and brave, eagle. I admire your flying skills." The eagle replied, "And you are very fast and clever, hawk. I admire your speed." They both realized that they had special skills and that they could learn from each other. "Maybe instead of competing, we can work together," said the hawk. The eagle nodded and said, "Yes, together we can do great things."
After the storm passed, the eagle and the hawk left the cave. They decided to fly together instead of racing. The animals below saw them flying side by side. "Look," said the fox, "the eagle and the hawk are not fighting anymore." The squirrel said, "They are working together now. That's great." The rabbit said, "It's better to be friends than to be enemies." The eagle and the hawk felt happy as they flew together. They enjoyed the beauty of the sky and the freedom of flying.
The eagle and the hawk became friends. They started to share their knowledge and skills with each other. The eagle taught the hawk how to fly higher and use the wind to his advantage. The hawk taught the eagle how to move faster and hunt more effectively. Together, they became stronger and smarter. They realized that by working together, they could achieve more than by competing against each other. Their friendship grew and they became an example for others in the forest.
One day, the eagle and the hawk saw a group of small birds in trouble. The birds were trying to escape from a large snake that was attacking their nest. The eagle and the hawk quickly flew to help. The eagle used his strength to scare the snake, and the hawk used his speed to guide the small birds to safety. Together, they saved the small birds and protected their nest. The small birds thanked them, saying, "You are both heroes."
The eagle and the hawk felt proud of what they had done. They realized that by working together, They could help others and make a difference. The hawk said, "I'm glad we are friends now." The eagle replied, "Me too. We are stronger together." Their teamwork inspired other animals in the forest. They learned that cooperation is better than competition and that helping others is the greatest strength. The forest became a happier place because of the eagle and the hawk's example.
As time passed, the eagle and the hawk continued to work together. They helped other animals in need and shared their skills with everyone. The forest animals respected them and admired their friendship. The fox said, "The eagle and the hawk are true leaders." The squirrel said, "They show us that teamwork is powerful." The rabbit said, "We should all learn from them." The eagle and the hawk felt happy knowing that their actions had made the forest a better place.
One morning, the eagle and the hawk were sitting on a mountain cliff, watching the sunrise. The eagle said, "I'm glad we stopped competing and started working together." The hawk replied, "Me too. Our friendship has taught me so much." They both agreed that their journey had been full of lessons. They learned that respect, teamwork, and kindness were more important than winning. They felt grateful for each other and for the opportunity to make a positive impact in the forest.
The eagle and the hawk decided to share their story with the young animals of the forest. They wanted to teach them about the power of teamwork and friendship. The eagle said, "When we were competing, we didn't see each other's strengths." The hawk added, "But when we worked together, we achieved so much more." The young animals listened carefully. The fox cub said, "Does that mean we should never compete?" The eagle replied, "Competition is fine, but respect and cooperation are more important."
One day, a strong windstorm hit the forest. Trees fell, and many animals were in danger. The eagle and the hawk worked together to help. The eagle carried heavy branches to clear paths, and the hawk guided animals to safety. Their teamwork saved many lives. After the storm, the animals thanked them. The squirrel said, "You are true heroes. Without you, we wouldn't be safe." The eagle and the hawk felt proud. They realized once again how powerful teamwork could be.
The forest animals started to see the eagle and the hawk as leaders. They often came to them for advice. One day, the rabbit asked, "How do you stay friends even when you are different?" The hawk replied, "We focus on what we have in common." The eagle added, "And we respect our differences. They make us stronger." The rabbit smiled and said, "I will try to do the same with my friends." The eagle and the hawk were happy to inspire others.
As time went on, the eagle and the hawk became legends in the forest. Animals told stories about their bravery and teamwork. "Once they saved a nest from a snake," said the fox. "And they helped during the windstorm," added the rabbit. The young animals listened with wide eyes. The eagle and the hawk didn't feel like legends. They felt like friends who had learned important lessons together. They hoped their story would continue to inspire animals for generations.
One afternoon, the eagle and the hawk rested on a high branch watching the sunset. The eagle said, "We've done a lot of good together." The hawk replied, "Yes, and it's all because we stopped seeing each other as rivals." They both knew their friendship had changed them for the better. They learned to appreciate each other's strengths and work as a team. "The forest is a better place now," said the eagle. "And we are better too," added the hawk.
The eagle and the hawk agreed to always stay friends. They promised to keep helping others and teaching the forest animals about teamwork. The hawk said, "Our story shows that even the strongest need help sometimes." The eagle replied, "And that working together makes everyone stronger." They both knew their friendship was special. They hoped other animals would learn from them and choose kindness, respect, and cooperation over competition. Their promise to help others made their bond even stronger.
The story of the eagle and the hawk teaches us all valuable lessons. It shows that strength isn't just about power. It's also about working together and respecting others. Their friendship reminds us that cooperation can achieve more than competition. By helping each other, the eagle and the hawk made their forest a better place. We can all learn from their example and choose kindness, respect, and teamwork in our own lives. Their story will always inspire us to be better and stronger together.